In this video, I'm going to be breaking down what you got to do before buying a house. What's going on, guys? My name is Alex Dargay, realtor with eXp Realty, founder of the Affinity Group, helping people buy, sell, and invest in real estate in Cleveland, Ohio, and surrounding areas. Look, at some point, you're going to be thinking about buying a home, whether that's down the road or short term. Okay, the first thing you're going to want to do, pretty obvious, is start saving for a down payment. Most people think that you need at least 20% down to purchase a home. I actually thought this before getting into the industry too, but it's completely false, and it's just a common misconception. Okay, if you're buying a house for you, you need 3% down for conventional loan, 3.5% for FHA. Okay, so if you're buying a house, $200,000 house, conventional loan, 3% down, $200,000 house, you need $6,000 down payment. $6,000 for $200,000 house down payment. That's pretty crazy. Okay, so start, with your check, start putting some money aside every single, check you get, and start saving for that down payment. Okay, second thing you're going to want to do is get your credit right. Okay, pretty simple. Start paying your bills on time. Start paying your credit card, your loans. Okay, because your credit is going to determine the type of loan that you're going to qualify for. And the better your credit is, generally, you're going to get lower interest rates on your mortgage, which is going to be lower monthly payments for you, which is obviously what you want. Okay, so the third thing you're going to want to do is find a real estate agent. Okay, find someone who's got the energy and resources to help you find a good investment for you, that's going to guide you through the process and find you the house you're looking for. Okay, a lot of people don't know how commission works. Do I have to pay the agent? How that works? So me and my team for buyers right now actually work completely for free. Okay, so the seller in a real estate transaction, the seller is the one who pays the agent's commission. Okay, so it's not the buyer, it's the seller. Okay, so when they put their home on the market, they agree to pay the agent that brings them the buyer a certain commission, right? That's how I'm paid. And by the way, if you decide not to use an agent to help you on the buy side and you go straight to the listing, most of the time you're going to end up working with an agent anyway. It's just going to be the listing agent whose primary fiduciary duty is to the seller to get them the most amount of money for the home, have it sell for the best terms for them. But if they're working for you too, they're not going to be able to negotiate on your behalf. Okay, so it's almost a no-brainer to work with an agent on the buy side, have them do all the work for you, all the contractual work, guide you through the process, negotiate on your behalf to help you get the extra $5,000 or $10,000 off the price. And by the way, now we can actually help you out nationwide, anywhere in the U.S. If you're looking, in Wisconsin, Arkansas, Florida, California, anywhere in the United States, we can help you find a great agent wherever that may be. That's going to help you out through the process, and somebody you can trust to find you a great home. Okay. So the fourth thing you're going to want to do is get pre-approved. So you're going to want to talk to a lender or mortgage loan officer, and they're going to get you a pre-approval letter, basically saying that they're tentatively willing to let you borrow up to a certain amount, basically saying how much home you can afford. Okay, and this is important because it shows sellers that you're serious about buying a house. And with the way things are going right now, most sellers are going to ask to see a pre-approval anyway with your offer, or they won't even look at your offer if you don't, have a pre-approval with it. So if you need to talk to a lender or you need some referrals, I have some great ones that I work with. Let me know, and I could definitely shoot you their information. Okay, so you're going to save for your down payment, start building your credit, find a good agent, and then get pre-approved, and you're well on your way to buying a house. Okay, guys, if you guys have any questions, feel free to DM me if there's anything I can do for you, or text me or call me 440-596-9512, and I'd love to help you out. Okay, see you on the next one.